Owning a CLK is a lot of fun, but one thing that the German engineers didn't quite get right is the headlights, especially if you're lucky enough to get the non-xenon or the old halogen lights. They tend to get pretty dim and quite yellow after a while, so I bought this set off of Amazon for 40 bucks. Let's see how it works. These are LED headlights with the yellow little dot giving out the actual light. So they're going to push into your headlight assembly facing vertically, like so. And they're going to go into the headlight assembly towards the left, which represents the front of the vehicle. Now we're going to only change the main headlights, which are the bigger ones on the outside of the headlight assembly. You're going to find a little twisty cover behind them, which just comes right off like so. Counterclockwise turn, and we're in. Perfect. So this set is technically compatible with every single car that uses H7 bulbs. So you could buy 2, you could buy 4 and do all the lights you want. That's the little socket we're going to twist them out of and into with the new ones. And this is our power plug right here. It comes right off the original bulb. Speaking of the original bulb, here they are. That's what it looks like. They come out with a clip with a twisty motion counterclockwise as well. So you press together those two little tongues, twist them right out. There's a little prong on the top there, which makes sure that it's aligned with the actual bulb when you twist them in clockwise. So when you press them into the headlight assembly, turn them right, they're going to stay perfectly in place. This is the same idea that we're going to follow with the new bulbs, but there's one big issue with the original clips. They're not going to fit these LEDs. I'll show you why. So I'm not sure if I was supposed to get these with the original Amazon order, but when I reached out to the manufacturer, they pointed me to an eBay link and they're going to reimburse me for these new clips, so it's all good. So the new clip is on the right, the old one's on the left. The issue with the old one is it won't fit the LEDs through that hole. So we're just going to toss them right out and use the new ones. So these LED bulbs come with locking rings, which should come and just twist right off in a counterclockwise motion. Let me almost demonstrate. Boom. And oh yeah, they're off. So these locking rings, along with the prongs on the securing clip, are the ones that are going to make sure that our headlight bulb stays upright. So this is why our old clips wouldn't work nice with the new LEDs. Well, not great. New one looks okay though. So we've taken off the locking ring. We're going to secure the clip like so and then put back the locking ring. We're going to secure it turning it clockwise, but it hurts a little bit, so give me a second. Ha, I'm a genius. Okay, so with all that hard work done, all we have left to do is to just install these bulbs in place, which is going to be as easy as push them in a little clockwise motion. Now you might get a little luckier than I did, but those two prongs underneath my thumb and pointing finger are going underneath 2 Torx screws. What I had to do is just undo them a little bit and give them some room to fit in and then just retighten them afterwards. Now that little weird flat part tends to get pretty hot, so they're nice enough to supply you with double-sided tape and some zip ties so you can put everything where you want it to be. Now from this point on, it really is as easy as just pushing and twisting these bulbs in. And then connect the power source, which, in case your light doesn't light up, make sure the polarity is right, so you might have to flip the plug. When that's done, secure everything with zip ties or tape, whatever you like, then pop the plastic covers back on, shut the hood, and enjoy seeing while driving. I did a little before and after video driving out at night. The new lights, I had my wife with me, so the windshield is a little foggy. Bear with us and enjoy the ride. Ooh, and also, if you find my genius irresistible, please do consider sharing the video, liking it, or subscribing. It helps me out a lot. I'll also include eBay and Amazon referral links in the description. Please use them. I will love you till the end of time for that.